Welcome. This is my city, friend. In your visit, I will give you a tour of the main tourist sites of the Isle of Montserrat, which is located in the east of the city. We can access the top by means of the cable car, funicular on stairs at the top in the sanctuary of Señor Cayo de Monserrate, which was inaugurated in 1928. Then we can visit La Plaza de Bolívar. It is the main one of the country and is found in the center of the city. Around it are very important buildings of the city such as the Palace of Justice, the national capital, the primate cathedral of Colombia, the Palace of Lebanon, and the Colegio Mayor de San Bartolomé. It was finished in 1700s. La Candelaria neighborhood. Then we can take a walk through the La Candelaria neighborhood, where the city was founded on August 6, 1538. Because of its architecture and color, it was declared a national heritage. In addition, there is the Luis Angel Arango Library, and there are restaurants, museums, and the theaters is very pretty. Gold Museum. We can also visit the Gold Museum. It has the largest collection in the world in pre-Columbian indigenous goldsmiths. Its collection was declared a national monument and the most important the world it is here. Maloca. We can visit Maloca, which is a very interesting interactive theme park. There is science and technology which, in a fun way, it also contains a spectacular dance cinema. Nightlife. The nightlife of the city is very varied and for all tastes. You can visit very good restaurants, cafes, nightclubs, theater, cinema, or go shopping to a shopping center. Any option is very funny. Breakfast. For breakfast, we can order the famous shangwa, a typical dish of the city of great national value. Contains eggs, water, milk, onion, cilantro, all toast. It is delicious. Lunch. For lunch, we can order the famous ajiaco. It's a delicious soup that contains three varieties of potato, chicken, mazorca, long onion, garlic, huasca leaves, and is accompanied with capers, avocado, cream, and rice. It is very tasty. Dessert. For dessert, we can taste a delicious oblea. Are too crispy and thin biscuits. A mundane arequipe is a date with dulce de leche, cream, oat milk, grated cheese, and blackberry sauce. It is very tasty. Onces. The onces are a snack day is taken off in the afternoon. It is composed of a cup of hot chocolate in a portion of cheese and an almohana, which is a bread made with cheese. Panoramic of Bogota. So that you never forget your visit to my city, I guide you a panoramic image of Bogota. So you never forget your visit. Come back soon, there is much more to see. Thank you.